everyone, this is Jane, one of the official Bigo Live hosts in the Philippines, and today I am gonna explain about monthly honor family prestige. So let us scroll here on the banners and look for monthly honor family prestige. Click on that banner. So here you can see all of the instructions, all of the details of the events. So for this month, it started at May 6 to May 31, 2019. This event is about family battle in Bigo Live. The family battle differs per country or per region. Since I am located in the Philippines, all the families I see here are those registered under Bigo Live Philippines. So let us scroll down and you will see all of the families registered under Bigo Live Philippines. By joining the family battle, you can get big prizes by helping your family soar high on the leaderboard. So how to apply? So once again, just need to scroll down and look for the leaderboard of family this month list. Pick a family you want to join to. So in my case, I will join Hubian since I am under Hubian agency. Click apply for membership. So you've submitted your application, so we'll just wait for 36 hours for them to accept our application. And finally, all you need to do is just send or receive maces, lucky stars, family shields, or super dragons. So this will help increase the combat points of the family. The combat points, you will see those here. So all the numbers that you see here are all combat points. So per mace, per lucky star, per family shield, and per dragon, it has equivalent combat points. After you have joined the family and it was successfully accepted by the family leader, you will see the information of your family and all of your contributions and all of the combat points that you have received. So you just need to click on my family. Okay, you will see here the list of family members, the gift receiving, and the contributions. So these are under the gift receiving, you will see here the beans that you have received, and under contribution are the diamonds that you have sent, or the total that you have spent for this family battle. So these will only count if you only send or receive maces, lucky stars, family shields, and super dragons. So the rewards that you will receive depends on the family power points. Okay, so if the family is on top 1, so you will see here the ranking from top 1 to top 8 hosts that received beans. So whoever gets top 1 to top 8 will receive the following or their corresponding hosts beans rewards after the month. And also you will see here the founder beans rewards. This is the beans rewards that the founder or the team leader, family leader will receive after the month. That is only if they reach top 1 or top 2, top 3, top 4, top 5. So only top 5 families will receive such big prizes. So that is the end of this tutorial. If you have any further questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below and see you on my next videos. Bye!